Hey everybody, Campervan Eric here. How y'all doing? No, wait, we gotta try something original here. What's going on, everyone? Obviously, I have some big news to share with you. There is a new acquisition here on the channel. Welcome. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my newly purchased 1997 Ford Campervan by Coachmen. Purpose of this video is to give you a tour and show you what she is. In the next video, I'm going to explain a lot more. But yes, this I picked up, and this is going to be on several new adventures here in the future. It is probably the cleanest Coachmen campervan I have come across, very meticulously maintained. This is the Coachmen M19RB, which stands for rear bath, and we're going to do an exterior tour and show you. It does have tinted windows, but they're a little purple. Okay, so on the outside here, you got the fridge vents. It's got a two-way fridge. It does have an Onan micro light generator in here that runs. Might need a little bit of servicing, but it does have the onboard generator there. On the back here, it's got the double barn doors. And I will just show you this for reference so you can see, because of this model, you do have the toilet and the shower here in the back, not a dinette. More on the inside later, though. Coming around the other side, we've got the water heater. We've got an outdoor shower as well as the indoor. There's where you store the sewer hose. There is your black tank and gray tank. Yes, that's right. This has a plumbed-in black tank for your toilet and gray water for your shower and sinks. Here is your plug for 30 amp at the campground right there. Here's your locking waters where you can gravity fill it and hook up to the threaded at your campground gas tank here. We're working with the Triton V8. This is not the 351 Windsor of 1996. This is the Triton V8 6.8 liter, I believe, but it's the big block V8. Coachmen Vans is the one that put this one together, did this conversion. And so without further ado, let's go take a peek inside. All right, well, let's start up front with the two captain's chairs. The main chair does not swivel like this one swivels. And, you know, because it's just me and the kiddies, I may end up leaving it in this position so that I can just sit down and face this way. The only thing is, because of the side mirror, I'm going to have to pop it up like this. I'll have to drive like that so that I can still see my side mirrors. But yeah, it's a 97 Ford. We've got cup holders up here. Somebody upgraded the stereo, I don't really care about, but air conditioning works fantastic. There's two charging ports for GoPros and stuff. 127,000 miles, cruise control, tilt steering. It's a 4-speed with overdrive, so it gets really good gas mileage. Previous owners said it's supposed to get, what'd they say, 15, 16 miles per gallon? I don't know. Then if we swing around to the living room area, we've got what used to be the jackknife sofa here. However, this has been upgraded to a 4-inch memory foam. It's still a fold-out bed. I'll show you that in a minute, but right now it works perfect for one person. Don't know if I'm a big fan of all the teal in here, but to make it a bed, you just get rid of this, and then that's where I've got my covers and other blankets stuff right now. But for one person to sleep right there, or it's also hinged right here. It comes out, and there's pieces of wood you put here, it folds out, and then this piece right here goes right here to make a full queen bed if you had two people in here. But for one person and a cat, just this one space is going to be fine. We're gonna get to all the storage, and I've got a few things in here just mixed throughout here. There's a lot of storage for a van. Now, this model also comes with the pull-out bed. So up here, you have what would be another bed. There's no mattress, and again, I'm storing some stuff up there, but this would slide out all the way, and then you put a mattress up there. Previous owners didn't want to use that for a bed, so they put in some extra storage here, and now you have to take this out if you want to pull this out. I'm gonna use it for storage and also give the cats a little place to hide out. Windows have pull-down blinds on all of the windows and everything. It's got a fantastic fan here up top. Got lots of DC lighting. I've also got on all the lights. I've already popped in some LED bulbs into all the sockets. Here is the kitchen area here with a sink. There's also a pull-out table so you can have extra space on your counter, or it could be used as like a desk for this seat right here. Oh, power doors and power windows and everything also, so push of a button up there does all the doors, including the rear door back there also. But yeah, next to the sink, we've got the 2-burner stove. It did not come with an oven. It could be added later, but right now the furnace is down there underneath where the stove top is. Here's all of the monitoring systems here, where you can check all your levels. There's a push-button start for the Onan generator, little fire it up, porch light. There's also a battery disconnect, which was shut off everything in the RV for storage. Water heater, I haven't been able to turn that on just yet, but it's got the original Dometic fridge from 1997, which, if I can unlock it here, and it does work, it does chill, although we are now in the danger zone, but it does keep cool. That's at least good. It's got a built-in microwave here. Oh, let's pop up, I forgot. So there's more storage on this side. So lots of van storage. They may have added these ones because the doors look a little more custom, but that goes back pretty deep back there. And then also this is just another access spot to get back there, another outlet back there, and TV hookups, yep. There's also another pantry right here with deep storage. I'm telling you, man, this van has a lot of storage. I showed you this one also next door, more storage there, double bin, and it gets deeper as it goes down here for even more. Oh yeah. CO2 sensor, smoke detector, and all that, propane leak detector, more storage under there. And now the pride and joy. Yeah, this is pretty unique to find one of these camper vans where they have not removed the shower or the toilet to store more shoes. It's definitely a dying breed. Everybody wants to get rid of it and just use it for a weekender. If you're a full-timer, you need a place to take a shower in your van. I'm gonna clean all this up. Just wanted to show you that it does have a shower head here with shower curtain, and it does work. Everything has been tested underneath this section right here. Like, you could sit down and take a shower, but underneath that is where the water heater is stored. And like I said, right now I can't get that guy to fire on. It's got the original Thetford toilet here. I don't know if we want to peek in here. No, I'm gonna be replacing this toilet. I don't like these plastic toilets for full-timers, and I want to get an elongated porcelain with a sprayer. This has got more storage here for cords and stuff like that. I'm still trying to decide where I want to put a stealth litter box, but this is a huge big closet back here where you can hang clothes. I think I'm going to use it for storage, actually. Haven't really decided yet. This Penguin 2 low-profile air conditioner kind of works, but not really. More on that later. The windows all have shades that can be pulled up for privacy. Only thing is I didn't get one for the front windshield. However, they had one because there's buttons and stuff where it would have attached previously, but I don't have it right now. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the floor plan of the camper van here so you can get an idea for where we're starting from, and more later on how I'm going to use it and everything. But this one's ready to go. This one's ready to live in full time for 1 person and 2 cats. This is a lot to take in for my viewers. Believe me, I will have a major video coming out here very soon explaining everything. I mean, everything in detail. So don't worry, just wanted to get this out of the way and say I have it, I have secured it. How I'm going to get it back, because there's a lot of details still to come. And hopefully we'll have it all figured out in the next video, but here's my camper van life. Here we go. All right, guys, see you in a few days.